students, good morning. How are you? I am fine and I hope the same with you. Okay dear, let us enter into the class. Oh, see here, today we are going to see the lesson number 2, my dear mama's note exercise. Already we have completed the book exercise. Today we are going to see the note exercise. So you are requested to copy down the notes on your rough note. Okay. So let us start. What is the first one we are going to learn is new words. We know some words are new for you. Okay. So what is the first one we are going to learn here? Begin. Begin na enna sonna? Start. It is going to start. Okay. So begin spelling B-E-G-I-N. Begin. Say with me. B-E-G-I-N. Begin. Now see the second one. Yesterday. Yesterday na enadhu? The day before today. The day before today. Netiki. So spelling of yesterday is Y-E-S-S-T-E-R. D-A-Y. Day. Yesterday. Now say Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Yesterday is the second one. Now see the third one. Peeped. P-E-E-P-E-D. Peeped. Peeped na enadhu? Looking, to see. What he was peeping? He was seeing in his mother's eyes. See the fourth one. Little. Little na enadhu? Konjondu, koraiva. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. We saw the little dogs. அதுதான் little. சின்ன dogsலாம் பார்த்தேன் அப்படின்னு. So L-I-T-T-L-E. little. குறைவா, கொஞ்சோண்டு, சின்னதா. Next is 5 eyes. E-Y-E-S. This is similar to you. You know what is eyes. What is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Eyes na enadhu? கண்கள். ஏன்னா நம்ம என்ன போட்டிருக்கோம்? இதை plural formல எழுதியிருக்கு. S போட்டிருக்கு. So what you will say? Eyes. What you will say? Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Eyes na enadhu? கண்கள். One eye இருந்ததுன்னா one. So it is singular. Eye na singular. Eyes na என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? Plural. Singularல S இருக்காது. Pluralல we have to add S. Okay. Now see the new words again. First Roman letter new words. Begin. Yesterday. Third one peeped. Fourth one a little. Fifth one eyes. Now let us go to the second Roman letter. Synonyms. Synonyms na enna artham? Meanings. Meaning of the word. First one begin. Begin na enna sollirken? Already I have told you. Begin na start. Going to start. The next day is going to start. Adha begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin. We have already seen in the new words. So what is the spelling for start? S-T-A-R-T. Start. The next day is going to start. அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக start. Second one little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Little na enadhu? Small quantity. குறையா. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Little. Small. Third one want. W-A-N-T. Want. எனக்கு வேணும். I want this. I want that. I want that ice cream. Please purchase and give. I want. Want na என்னது? நம்மளோட தேவைகள். என்னெல்லாம் தேவைப்படுது? நமக்கு எல்லா திங்ஸுமே நம்ம கேட்போம். Right? We will ask our parents. I want this. I want that. So want na என்னது? Need. நம்மளோட தேவைகள். W-A-N-T. Want. Spelling of need. N-E-E-D. Need. Want. Need. Now see the last one. Fourth one. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Look na என்னது? அங்க பார். You see there. You see on the see the blackboard. So what is look? Look na to see. To see. T-O-2-S-E-E. ரெண்டு E இருக்கனால double E ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஓகேவா? To see. Don't write W. Double E. Look to see. So again I am repeating the synonyms. You are requested to write down in your rough note. Okay va? First, second Roman letter synonyms. First one, begin, start, little, small, want, need, look, to see. Now let us go to the third Roman letter, antonyms. Antonyms is opposite. Opposite words நம்ம write பண்ணும். Father ஓட opposite நம்ம என்ன படிச்சோம்? Mother. Son ஓட opposite, what is the son opposite? Daughter. So here we are going to see the antonyms. Antonyms என்னது? Opposite. Begin. அதே begin வச்சுதான். ஓகேவா? begin என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? Start. So begin na start. அப்போ அதோட opposite என்ன வரும்? End. Finishing. Okay. Begin, end. E-N-D. End. முடிஞ்சுது. Stop. Next one, little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Little க்கு opposite? Big. ஏன்னா little ஓட அர்த்தம் என்னது? Small. So small ஓட opposite? Big. B-I-G. Big. Next, see the third one, out. O-U-T, out. Next, other opposite, I-N, in. Out na, outside. In na, inside. வீட்டுக்குள்ள. Open. O-P-E-N. Open என்னது? திறக்கிறது. Close. அப்படின்னா என்னது? Shut the door. Okay, ma'am. Fourth Roman letter, present tense, past tense. Already I have told you what is present tense and past tense. Present tense means present. இப்போ என்ன நடக்கிறதோ அதான் present tense. Past tense means already happened. முடிஞ்சிட்டு. So that is called as present past tense. Now in this side I have written all the present tense. என்ன present tenseலாம் எழுதியிருக்கேன்னு பார்ப்போமா? First one is open. Second one want. Third one look. Fourth one is peep. So here I have written the answers for the present tense. What is the answers I have written? Come on, let us see. Open, opened. In past tense, that is happened, finished. So we are going to write here ed. So நம்ம என்ன ரைட் பண்ணுவோம்? open அப்படியே ரைட் பண்ணிட்டு we are going to add ed. So I have written here ed. opened அப்படின்னா openனா open பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். opened means it is finished. I have opened. நான் open பண்ணிட்டேன். Now see the second one, want. I want this. So what I have written in the past tense? Want. And the want அப்படியே ரைட் பண்ணிட்டு I have added here ed. So what here happened? The present is changed into past tense. Wanted spelling W-A-N-T. Already it is there in the question. So we have added here ed. Wanted. Next see the third one, look. L-O-O-K, look. So here, what is the past tense for the present tense? Look. Looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. I have insisted. That means I have added ed. Look. Looked. Look na paaru. Looked na paathutten. Next one, peep. P-E-E-P. Peep. Here, P-E-E-P. The same word we have written and added ed. Ed. Peeped. See here. See again I am telling the present tense and past tense. First one, open. Opened. Want. Wanted. Look. Looked. Peep. Peeped. See the fifth Roman letter. Answer the following. Here questions is given to you. You have to write the answers. See the first question. What is the little boy asking his mother to do? We know what is the boy is asking to his mother? To open her eyes. What he is telling? You just open your eyes. I want to see inside your eyes. So the answer, what is the answer here? The little boy is asking his mother, what he is asking his mother? To open her eyes. என்ன செய்ய சொல்லியிருக்கான்? Open பண்ணுங்க. Eyes open பண்ணுங்க. I want to see inside it. So see here, don't think the answer is very big. Okay. See the question here. It is starting from here. You can write the answer. How to write the answer? It is in the question itself. Okay. Inga irukka? Same the. Okay. Second, little boy. Here also in answer also we have written little boy. Starting from the you have to end in the mother. The little boy asking his mother, what is the little boy is, we have to write down is, it is here, okay. So is asking his mother, you have to learn this side, that is to open her eyes is the most important answer for this, okay. So you have to write the full sentence. You should not write only this answer, you have to write the full answer from here, okay. The little boy is asking his mother to open her eyes. Poem புரிஞ்சா கண்டிப்பா you can answer these questions. Poem புரிஞ்சா, okay. So see again, what is the little boy asking his mother to do? The little boy is asking his mother to வரைக்கும் கொஸ்டின்லே இருக்கு. See here, 2 வரைக்கும் கொஸ்டின்லே இருக்கு. After 2 you have to read this, open her eyes. Open spelling தெரியும், her spelling you know, and I spelling also you know. So, okay. See the second question, what will soon begin? என்னது சீக்கிரமா ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும்? Next day start ஆகும். So answer is the day. Day na answer. The day will soon begin. What க்கு பதிலா we are going to write the day. Will soon begin. So see the second question I am reading. What will soon begin? The day will soon begin. Next day is going to begin. So mamata என்ன சொல்றான்? The next day is going to start. So here I am completing my second chapter, my dear mama. Thank you.